No more cat food, guys. So no sardines, only century tuna. That's mine. I gave her a half already, but seems he like it. He just back again. And he smashed the, what you call that? I'm so crazy because I put in the bowl. Richa. Di, ikaw naman niya. That's mine. Oh, half. We gonna be half, but look at.
Do I eat that before?
Why you don't eat that one?
For me. Did I eat that before?
No. I give him a half. Sit down. Sit down. Good boy. Sahira, don't move because he's always watching you. I give him a half. Then I decided to put the half there because I will eat. No. How I can eat? Someone get my food. Hi. You finish, huh? You finish. Your cat food will be coming. Guys, he will eat a dried fish. If I have a dried fish, he will sneak up. And I have sardines. I don't give him the spicy one. I give him what you call that, the green one. Then now he's interested with what you call that, century tuna. I never thought that he will eat because I already tried it before. He don't like it. Hmm. Finish, huh? Mm-mm.
Yeah, don't leave your food unattended.
Because
Because somebody's watching you. If you don't look,
don't push in the other side because you cannot eat properly. Guys, he have a cat food coming.
how?
I order already but not
Today?
yet. It's 18 pieces. That's for our Oliver, our baby. It's our baby, right? He's your baby?
Palaaway.
Palaaway. Why you said palaaway?
Nagkatukaras.
Di away ka. Kaya masugugon.
Oh. Ano mukaon siya sa isay?
Ito na.
Wala na? Tawa ya ba?
Lami.
She likes that more.
I like the century tuna. And he like sardines too.
I thought she was American.
Wanna guys, kinda finish na. Only little bit left. Finish it, okay? So this century guys, I just drain the water because I want to eat that one also. I decided that me and the Oliver will be half. Oh my god, guys, it's not going half because look at. Tiluka na, guys. Tiluka na dong, tiluka. Kay mahal ng kuan na century ha. Ang kuan kay ka, no? Swerte kay kang iringa ka. This century, it's 50. I think 50. If I'm not mistaken. That's no more, guys. Kanay. Tiluka ha. Kay anugon. Ato ni siyang patilok. Oh, you eat it. Come on. Tiluka, Jud. Kaya di nakatagaan ni Mami. If you don't tilok that one.
That's another one.
No, I will not give him again.
He will be more fatter and fatter.
It's good, just like a teddy
It's
bear.
so clean.
Oh.
So clean. Shiny.
Shiny and shimmery. Oh, look at guys, what he did. Oh,
Ice baby.
then again in the other corner, finish it. Ayaw pagbilin.
We need to clean it up.
Clean it up. So your daddy don't think that you are the one eating. You don't eat also that what you call that. Oh my god, you're hungry. Oh. Who's the kuan?
Culprit.
Who's
Culprit.
really happy tummy now? Who's really happy tummy now? Hey. Huy.
It's
So
a
guys.
yagi kaon kari.